All right. Again, for our ongoing class, this is going to be a practice video as we're learning this great song called Sweet Home Chicago. We have it in a kind of a rock bluesy groove. We're doing it in the key of A on the ukulele, and the starting note is A. Come on. Although, as I begin to sing it more, I'm going to kind of make up my own melodies as we go along. There we go. It's blues. All right, so here's our drum. And we're just going to launch in because we haven't gotten an intro yet in our class. That's coming. 1, 2, 3, come on. Baby, don't you want to go? Come on. Oh, baby, don't you want to go back to that same old place, a sweet home, Chicago. Come on. Oh, baby, don't you want to go? Come on. Baby, don't you want to go back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Well, 1 and 1 is 2, 6 and 2 is 8. Come on, baby, don't you make me late. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Now I'm gonna comp for you. Instrumental. Now 6 and 2 is 8, 8 and 2 is 10. She tricked you one time, she'll do it again. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Yeah, back to the same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Yeah, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Ooh, come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Woohoo!